Previously, the guys hit the streets of Ljubljana.
So we're here in Morocco in Africa, and it's world famous for its surfing, so we're just gonna take a couple of days off and check the beach.
I figured that would be probably the best thing to do, just have some time off from all the contests, and yeah, eventually it turned out to be the best plan ever.
It's midwinter, February, and we're surfing.
You're waiting for the sign to leave them all behind. You shudder all the way and wonder what they'll say.
We're going snowboarding in Africa tomorrow. It's pretty redonkulous.
About to talk behind your back till it's too late.
So now it's like two donkeys. We really bonded well with each other. I feel like we really understand. We have the same path.
They're blinded by it all. You're frozen by the fear of what they wanna hear.
It's been really fun. Beautiful place up here.
You had your chance to wash the stars away, but it's too late. Everybody wants to touch your hand, but don't you worry about the talk behind your back. You're all alone now and living in the past.
We got our own private village to shred.
Fast as they